Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video recording quality on the Xiaomi 13 Pro against the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So can you see some differences here while we're recording 4K 30 video out here on a bright sunny day, so the weather is good, perfect conditions for this camera test. And let's also slowly move the cameras around, alright? And if you just follow me here, do you see any differences in just video stabilization or just the slow regular walk? Alright guys, do you see any differences as we change the to different lighting conditions? Also, let's quickly switch to the ultra-wide camera on the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the Galaxy and the iPhone. This is the ultra-wide camera right now, so you have a wider perspective on all three phones. Much wider, hopefully. Alright, let's switch back to the main camera right now. Switching to the Galaxy main camera. Now 1x on the Xiaomi 13 Pro and 1x on the iPhone. Alright, so let me quickly step out of the frame here and see if the phone can refocus back on me. Alright, you should be able to refocus on my face really quickly one last time. And let's do it one more time. Do all the phones focus right on my face quickly? That's an important thing to know. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, and now we're testing low light video recording on the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Slowly moving the cameras around, and we can, at least here on the viewfinder, I can immediately see some differences. I can see that the Galaxy is quite noisy right here around the water and also in the skies, but let's see if it does some special processing after we finish the recording. And let's also move around and check out how it adapts to different lighting conditions. All right. So this is the view that we have here. You can see some flaring going on with the iPhone, which is a known issue. But definitely very noisy picture out of the Galaxy, and the Xiaomi seems to be doing a pretty good job. And here, as you can see on the wooden floor, it seems that the iPhone has the best color representation. You can see the warmer colors on the Galaxy and slightly warmer color on the Xiaomi is not quite accurate. All right. So you can kind of see that the Xiaomi here prefers a slightly darker picture. It is quite dark indeed, but the iPhone and the Galaxy lighten it up. And once again, you can see the difference in color reproduction here, as the Xiaomi and the iPhone seem to be doing a pretty good job adhering to what is mostly a correct white balance, while the Galaxy gets very warm colors. And what if we point the cameras towards nearly complete darkness? Now the Galaxy tries to lift up and get the maximum brightness at the expense of noise. Alright, which one do you think did better? Let me know in the comments.